Hello my people, this is Michael Emefeke and you are welcome again to my channel. For this current video we don't make, now for those people when they be saying they get challenged, those students when they get challenged with ecclesiastical endorsement request, they want to request for that endorsement, but anytime they make the request, they will cancel them. Anytime they make the request, they will put on a system, they cancel them, or they don't really understand. But anytime they make that request, they will cancel them. This is not a system issue, it's a question issue. Why did they cancel them? So that now we are what we want to solve. And now how we want to show now how to solve that problem. So make you follow us JT by JT. How would we go put the title? How would they even sign into that place? How we go put the title? How we take choose all the options when it is relevant, when you need to choose. How would they write the message, make you see it with your eyes? How would they write and put for there? Then the message, the image where you go get to snap so that you go put there to validate your claims, everything you need down, and then you now submit. Maybe you submit, support will get back to you within. So in fact, immediately before that day will finish, they will get back to you. Or let's say in 1 to 2 hours, they will get back to you, say they don't receive your request. Make you not send any further information. So if you they find difficult to do this thing before, just follow us JT by JT. We could go inside and tackle the problem once and for all. And when we finish, don't forget, if we give you value, subscribe, like, share, and turn on that notification bell. Let's go there. No worry, it will make up. Let's go there. So we will go try to solve this problem. We go our portal now. Now you don't enter your portal finish. We will now go to Help Center. So when you reach this place, for you to be able to access, to fit send the message which you want to send, because our problem is the one we need the ground. So if we solve the problem, we need to go send message to support to help us, because we don't try to request for the endorsement and it's not they show any effect. So we need to write something and describe the problem, even send them the image so that they will fit rectify the problem for us. If possible, make them rectify and submit and there. So I want to send them the requests. So now there with the worker they go now. So let's sign in to this help center by using our details. So that's where we are going to come to this place. I'll click on sign in. If you look at now, my name don't be there. So that means I don't sign into this place. So that's what you normally do. Whenever you come here, even if you don't sign into your portal, as you reach here, it tells you make you sign in. So you will sign in immediately and then you continue. Okay? So continue our work. If you observe, when we reach here before, there's nothing like my support request. So now just information on different articles 9 day. So because we have signed in, they tell us we can now make a new request. So I'll click on submit a new request. And wait, make it open. It don't open, so new request. We will now put the details so that we'll let them know why we come here. We'll explain everything, put the pictures, fill up this place completely, so that we'll now let them know why we come here. So make I fill up everything so that you can see. Don't forget our problem now. Our endorsement request we will send, but they reject them. We don't know why they reject them. It was even cancelled, not even rejected, it was cancelled. So we have to enter what we do and we show cancel. So we want support to help us go. We'll try everything we want to try. So now support those people where they work with the school, with the partner with the school, and then we want to send the problem to be the sovereign there, so that we don't clear our ecclesiastical area of the requirements. So I go pause on here so that I go fill up those items. It don't take too much time. When I fill and finish, I go continue. So for the title, I put endorsement request cancelled. So I'm going to select the topic. So I will look for the relevant topic when they close to waiting at the pursue. Now that one I go select. When I select and finish, you go see them. So from all the information when it is here, from class schedule to others, one thing when you when e dey close to wetin we dey look for na old ecclesiastical endorsement, because it was cancelled. We dey try to send request and dey cancel am. So old is like a barrier, something wey you no go fit pass, wey dey block you to pass. So since that place like a barrier now dey block us to pass, and that one be the issue, we'll now click on this one. It's an ecclesiastical endorsement problem. It was cancelled. We'll now explain that one to them so that it will add more validity to wetin we dey try to complain about. So now that one now we don't click. Now that one we will send. So we'll select the option. Do you have any question, or are you reporting a system issue? Now we will know that now system issue or a question. We'll add them for that place. We'll choose the option with the relevant. So for the select an option, we go choose we have a question, because the system it don't look like system error, but it look like a problem. There was a reason why they cancelled our request. So we want to know the reason why they cancel our request. So since now that won't be the problem, we'll select question. So I will come here and say question. So now I will not describe. Say please provide a brief description, then check for related articles which may help you below. So I will just provide the brief description and then attach the file, the one we need for the other side, and then that one I will send. So that's what I want to do now. So let me provide a brief description. So I don't write the short description, I will now knock am here. I don't control V and here. So that's the situation. So I knock am there, finish now. I will now attach a file to explain the reason. There's a place for attachment of file, which is this one. I will now attach the file here so that they will see what I'm going as they go through. So that's what I'll do. So they come make I attach. I'm gonna find them with the attach. So I will go to my system now, click choose file. I'll go where I don't really snap one before where I show you. So I'll go to that place that I have it, something like this. I'll go where I have it, and then I'll click on it and save it there, which is, look at it, endorsement cancel. And I get the image. I'll put open. Immediately it's enter. I'll now click on submit. The reason why I'm not clicking on this submit, because it is not my portal, and I don't have this kind of issue. Now, immediately you click on submit, the support people they will send you say acknowledgement, say you don't receive them. So they could do everything to ensure say they solve the problem between 5 working days. And immediately they don't finish, they'll send you reports. So you can go and do your request, you can continue it, or probably they've submitted it for you. That's what you will get. So it's a very easy procedure. I just wanted to see the steps. Very good. So don't forget, always follow look at the title, use that title. When you click on this drop down, collect this ecclesiastical endorsement, the one that is old, then put your question, click this option of question, and then write something similar like this, because this is your situation. Just copy and paste this one, just write down and then paste it. That's actually how they use to solve it. They will give you articles, but they will still solve the problem for you. Probably when you use this one and you have it somewhere, but you don't get time, you don't have time to follow this one, so they will do it for you and then let you know how it could be. Okay, if it's something that is probably something when they will give you difficulties, they will let you know. But with like this, you're okay. Okay, so let's treat on other issues. I believe you have you don't get value for this one. If you don't say it clear all your doubts, please don't forget to also follow other series inside this navigation of the student portal. I'll also bring you more. Don't forget to always look out for always turn on that bell and look out for more of our videos. Don't worry, we go make them. Let's go there.
Wow, what an epic session. You've just tackled some pretty mind-blowing stuff. Remember, every step you take is a victory, no matter how big or small. Keep practicing, keep pushing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You are on your way to becoming unstoppable. If you love today's adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the next brain-busting challenge. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and keep those superpowers trapped. I know you can do this. Celebrate every move. Have confidence in yourself. Always have a growth mindset. And as usual, we go make them. Thanks for watching my videos, and click the next video up here, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.